In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change the language in Yahoo Mail on your mobile device. Changing the language setting can help you use the app more comfortably in your preferred language. To get started, open up the Yahoo Mail app. Then tap on the profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap Settings. And then tap Manage Accounts. Find your Yahoo account and tap Account Info under it. Then tap Personal Info. Now it will use Face ID, or you might have to enter your passcode to access these settings. Once you are on this page, scroll down a bit and you'll see an option called Update Language. Just tap on it. Then tap here and select your preferred language. Tap on the Save Updates button. Then you need to sign in to your Yahoo Mail account again. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.